for feet. Emails fade like taillights, heavy legs fall light and feet. Things are wrapping, finally dropping. Let the inbox cool, clock hands yawning, doors are opening. Cue the golden rules, breathe out the weak, shake off the load. Turn the page, change the code. One more step, lift the mood, hear the city hum. We can groove, we're clocking out. Drop the weight, we can more. Activate from the grind to the glow, feel the tempo. Elevate, work is over. Lines are drawn, new plans under neon. Swap the rhythm, press play. Friday night, we're on. Freshen up, fresh cut. Mirror says you're doing fine. Get-togethers, family dinners, pour the laughter like a wine. Kids games, street frames, sneakers skimming, twilight blues. Swapping into the new rhythm. Heartbeat, learn something new. Breathe out the weak, shake off the load. Turn the page, change the code. One more step, lift the mood, hear the city hum. We can groove, we're clocking out. Drop the weight, we can move. Activate from the grind to the glow, feel the tempo. Elevate, work is over. Lines are drawn, new plans under neon. Swap the rhythm, press play. Friday night, we're on. From desk lights to porch lights, same heart, brighter tone. We trade deadlines for skylines, find our way back home. Hands up, heads high, let the late sun set the tone. In this chorus of our lives, we're never singing alone. We're clocking out, drop the way we can move. Activate every laugh, resets the soul, let the good times resonate. Work is over, lines are drawn, new plans